Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Nanay SUSI. Today, my tips is about how to make a healthy food for baby. I make this video for English because I want to everybody can search these tips about how to make a healthy food for baby. Even I'm not good in English, but I try my best to explain and I hope you understand me. I am Nanay SUSI, OFW here in Hong Kong, and I am making a healthy food for baby for how many years. So I want to share about how to make a healthy food for baby. I am making a rice porridge for baby with vegetable and pork. And sometimes I am making a pasta, vegetable with pork. And this is very tasty and delicious, even no salt, no oil, and no seasoning. And today I want to make a dinner for my employer's son, so I make a video to share. If you like this video and you have comment, you can write your comment. You can write your comment box below, and you can like and subscribe and press the bell button so that you are updated to all my videos will upload. Okay, we'll start now. Baby, we'll see how to cook a healthy food for baby without oil, without salt, and without seasoning. Now I will cook for dinner for my employer baby, 2.5 years old. Now I have little pork because only for dinner, and I have broccoli and cabbage. I soak it in a little salt and water, and then after that I will wash and slice the cabbage. And I have a slice of sayote. Now I will slice it and prepare. And for the rice, I have less than half cup of rice, organic rice. Okay guys, now I will slice and prepare. We will wash the vegetable because it's soaked already in the water. So we will wash, and now we will slice the sayote as small pieces. Okay. Now we will slice the cabbage. You can cook also beans if you have beans, or cucumber instead of sayote. Now we will put the sayote here to prepare. And then we will slice the cabbage. You know guys, my employer's son is very healthy because always eating vegetable like this without salt, without oil, and without seasoning. Only vegetable. If I will cook for him, he always finish the food. Rice and vegetable. He is healthy. Now I prepare already broccoli, cabbage, and sayote. Next, we will slice the pork. The pork we will slice for a small pieces. Very small so that he can swallow. If have white like this, we will throw it because he cannot swallow. We will slice very small. This food is healthy for the baby because we will make this without seasoning and salt. Okay, after slice, we'll set aside. And then we have pork soup. The pork soup I will put the rice. The rice I will cook on the pork soup, and the vegetable I will cook also on the pork soup. Okay guys, I will prepare. Now we will steam it for 25 minutes. Okay. Now we will cook the vegetable. I will put the sayote. Into the pork soup little. And then we will put the broccoli. Cover it. We'll cook with 2 minutes until the broccoli is good. Cabbage. Together with meat. cover it with 1 minute. Now we will close the fire. The vegetable is done. And you know guys, very tasty and delicious. No oil, no seasoning, no salt, but it is tasty. Very delicious. Sweet and tasty. So the babies like it too much. So okay guys, the cooking is done.